Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to create a Google form. Whether you're a teacher, event organizer, or just someone looking to gather information, Google Forms is a powerful tool that can simplify the process. So, let's dive in and learn how to create a Google form step by step. Step 1. Sign in to your Google account. The first step is to sign in to your Google account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one by visiting accounts.google.com. Once you're signed in, head over to Google Drive. Step 2. Create a new form. In Google Drive, click on the New button, then hover over More, and select Google Forms from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new tab with a blank form. Step 3. Add title and description. Now, let's give our form a title and description. Click on the Untitled Form placeholder and enter a catchy title that represents the purpose of your form. Additionally, you can provide a brief description to provide more context. Step 4. Add questions. Here comes the fun part, adding questions. Click on the plus Add Question button to start creating your questions. You can choose from various question types such as multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. Don't forget to mark questions as required if you need respondents to provide an answer. Step 5. Customize form appearance. Now, let's make your form visually appealing. Click on the Theme button, and you'll find a range of pre-designed themes to choose from. You can also customize colors and fonts to match your personal style or branding. Step 6. Form settings and response collection. It's important to set up the right form settings. Click on the Settings gear icon, in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can control various options such as limiting responses, allowing users to edit their responses, and receiving email notifications when someone submits a response. Step 7. Share your form. Once your form is ready, it's time to share it with others. Click on the Send button to access the sharing options. You can copy the link and share it via email or social media, or embed it on your website. You can also send the form directly to specific individuals by entering their email addresses. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully created a Google form. Now you can start collecting responses and gather valuable information hassle-free. Remember, Google Forms is a versatile tool that can be used for surveys, registrations, feedback, and so much more. So, start exploring and make the most of this powerful platform.